Hello everybody, so today we're going to be using PicLab to edit a photo to create some propaganda. And so we're going to click on our PicLab app and we're going to get started. So as you can see, I've got a couple pictures here, but we're going to edit this one here. And so with PicLab you can add various things, so text, different filters, and other such things. You can always play around with it yourself, but first we're going to add a filter, and some of these filters may be you may require some form of payment. PicLab is a free app, but there are in-app payments, so just be careful with that. You should be able to do a lot of things though with just the free version. And so we're going to add this filter. I really like this one. We're going to edit this. Actually, I know we can go to adjustments here, and we'll go to brightness and just a little bit of darkness here, just a bit. And obviously we can play around this sharpness. That's just going to make it a little bit different, I think. Contrast. No. Alrighty. I think we'll be good with that. And then we're also going to be able to add, we want to add some sort of text, so we will ask a question. And I have a question for you all. Do you have what it takes? Have what it takes to wear the cream and crimson? We'll just put a question mark there. We can also edit our color, the color of the font we want, but first I'm going to add a shadow. Just for sake, we can add intensity, change that. Color, I'm going to make it a little bit darker just so that everyone can read it. Then we're going to adjust where the position is using the buttons at the bottom of the screen. And then you can obviously change the orientation with that, but that looks pretty good. Obviously you can change it up yourself. And I think, so as you can see down here, we've got those non-free fonts, but you should be able to do some things with other fonts. I'm going to use this Liberator text because it sounds cool and it kind of goes with what we're working at. Get back into this just to adjust it. And that looks pretty good to me. So that's kind of just a basic little version of it. We're going to get rid of, we're going to have this little thing on here. As you can see, it's like this whole shop. But once we're done with this, we'll have this little thing in the bottom. That doesn't really matter. And then we'll go up to the top right hand arrow, and we're going to save this picture to our gallery first, just so you have it. And then we'll probably have you post things to Twitter, like the class Twitter account if you've got one. And we're going to say, not the Premier League, we're going to say something like propaganda. Oops, let's see if I can spell it right. Propaganda is cool. And then we'll go hashtag propaganda contest, and then you might tweet at your teacher or something like that, but then you'll just hit post. I'm not going to post because I feel I could probably do a little bit of a better job on this, but you'll post it and then we'll see how it goes. So have fun and make some propaganda.